What's up, everybody? It's Dean here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that I know a lot of you have been asking about: how to get the most out of your smartphone. We're talking about 12 features that once you start using them, you won't be able to live without. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. We've got a lot more to explore and you don't want to miss out. First up, we have dark mode. Not only does it give your phone a sleek look, but it's also a lifesaver for your eyes, especially if you're always scrolling late at night. And let's be real, who doesn't love saving a bit of battery life? Dark mode actually helps with that too, especially on phones with OLED screens. Next, let's talk about screen recording. Whether you're on an iPhone or Android, being able to capture exactly what's happening on your screen is insanely useful. Need to show someone how to do something on their phone? Screen record it. The possibilities are endless. This third feature is a game changer for anyone who loves taking photos. Night mode on smartphone cameras has gotten ridiculously good in the last few years. We're talking about taking photos in near darkness that actually look bright and detailed. Chapter 4. App Drawer. Instead of having all your apps scattered across multiple home screens, the app drawer keeps everything neatly tucked away in one convenient place. This means you can finally say goodbye to endlessly swiping through screens to find that one app you're looking for. Chapter 5. Privacy Dashboard. In this day and age, privacy is more important than ever, and luckily both Android and iOS are giving you more control over your data. The Privacy Dashboard is your one-stop shop to see which apps have access to things like your camera, microphone, and location. Chapter 6. Split Screen. Ever wanted to reference something in another app while you're writing an email? Or maybe watch a video while you're messaging a friend? Split Screen lets you do just that. It's a total productivity hack, especially on larger phones or tablets. Chapter 7. Custom widgets are one of the best ways to make your phone truly yours. Whether it's checking the weather, controlling your music, or keeping an eye on your to-do list, there's a widget for practically everything. Chapter 8. Instead of digging through menus to find commonly used settings, Quick Settings gives you instant access right from your notification shade. Need to toggle your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or screen brightness? Just swipe down and you're good to go. Chapter 9. Even though we love our phones, sometimes they can get cluttered with apps we rarely use. Whether you want to keep certain apps private or simply declutter your app drawer, hiding apps is a great way to keep things organized and tidy. Chapter 10. Picture in Picture. Ever started watching a video and then wished you could keep it playing while you check your email or reply to a message? Well, with Picture in Picture, you can. The video shrinks down into a little window that floats on top of your other apps. Chapter 11. Battery Optimization. Battery optimization features have come a long way, and they're designed to squeeze every last drop of juice out of your phone. This means managing background app activity, optimizing performance, and even learning your usage patterns to save power throughout the day. Chapter 12. Gesture Navigation. It essentially replaces your traditional navigation buttons with intuitive swipes and gestures. Want to go back? Swipe right. Want to switch apps? Swipe up. Once you get the hang of it, it feels so much more natural and fluid. Ultra conclusion. So there you have it, 12 smartphone features that I'm convinced will make your life easier, more productive, and maybe even a little more fun. If you found these features helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.